First, type any random keyword you'd like into the search box right here, and then click this button to generate money online. I have found a few artificial intelligence tools that will do all the work for you and collect all your money for you with this money-making method. This money-making method will pay you out either through a direct bank transfer, PayPal, or Bitcoin. This is also available worldwide, which means this is available for anyone in any country. You can also do this on your phone or laptop, you just need an internet connection. Make sure you watch every step of this video so you know exactly how to do this yourself. Many people skip steps and aren't able to make any money as a result, so make sure you aren't one of those people. So the first website I'd like you to go to is one called Xyro.com. This website will provide you with several different artificial intelligence tools that you can use yourself to earn money online. Xyro has several different tools that you can use like AI Writer, AI Background Remover, AI Slogan Generator, AI Image Upscaler, AI Business Name Generator, AI Blog Title Generator, and AI Heat Map. And you have access to all of these different tools within Xyro. And the best part about Xyro is that while it does cost this much every month to use the whole website, all of these tools are completely free to use, which means you won't have to pay these monthly charges. There are also no free trials where you have to add your credit card. It's completely free. To show proof that this website is trusted by many others, if we search for Xyro.com on Trustpilot, it will show you that the average rating is 4.4 stars out of 5, where 82% of the starred ratings are 5 stars. And you can scroll down and see all these written reviews people have given this website to get an even better idea. Now I'm going to show you the second step, which I combined with Xyro to create the perfect strategy for this method to make money online. So the second step is to hover over products here and then click on AI Slogan Generator. And just by typing one simple keyword, you'll be able to generate an eye-catching slogan in a matter of seconds. And if you scroll down a bit here, it'll show you the 4 steps, which are to enter a keyword, generate slogans, choose a slogan, and then you can stand out. So as an example, I'm going to type in finance and see what it generates for me. So in a matter of seconds, you can see all these different options for slogans that you can use and at no cost. Now I want you to check this out. People are paying this much money to create a slogan for your company on this website. And I'll reveal the name of this website in just a moment. If you look here, you'll see that this person has gotten this many reviews. This essentially means that this is the minimum number of sales that this person has received for this particular service, because the only way that one can leave a review is to actually purchase the service. So if I were to calculate how much this person has earned at the very minimum, I would take the cost for the service and multiply it by the number of reviews and get this number. This person has made this much money at the very minimum. And there is a very large percentage of people who don't leave reviews, so it's very likely that this person has made significantly more money than this. And all they did was create a very simple slogan. And there are so many different companies that are being created on a daily basis and don't know that websites like Xyro exist. So they'll just outsource this work to create a slogan for their company, which makes this a perfect money-making opportunity for you to take advantage of. So what you can do is just post a service on here saying that you will create a slogan for someone's company, and then use the AI slogan generator on Xyro to create a slogan for any company in a matter of seconds. And when a new service is posted on this website, people who already are on this website will get a notification to their email seeing that a new service was posted for slogan design, which will then result in them purchasing your service to get their slogan created. So these service prices may not seem like a lot of money, but if you were to get a lot of traffic or volume to purchase your service, that can quickly add up to become a substantial amount of money, just like this person right here. So now I want to show you another tool where you can double your income with this strategy. But before I do that, make sure you subscribe to this channel to learn about more great ways to make money online. This tool or AI robot is called Slogan Slingers. Here's how it works. You can either select a slogan or a name, so I'll choose slogan in this case. And then for my, you can select one of these, so I'll select company in this case. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to this next page. Here you'll just have to enter your email address, password, the name of the company, a brief description of the company, and then add what the point is you want to get across with the company. This site will then email you a slogan that's customized specifically for you in the description you provided here completely for free. So this is another tool that you can use to get slogans. So the name of this website where you will post your service is called peopleperhour.com. You will post this service on here, and whenever you get a client, they will send you information on the checkout page like the name of their company, a brief description, the single best point they want to send across, and you will then put all that information into sloganslingers.com or Xyro.com so they can generate the right slogan for you to then provide to your client. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.